Abel Kirui akoretwo agikira meharĩria make mwena wa Uasin Gishu ni undu wa mahenya ma Milano na maria makahanika tariki 16 mweri uyu.
I think it is the peak of the competition. It is even bigger than World Championship. The title of Olympic itself has a big sound and a big name. So me myself, I am lucky. I got an opportunity to compete at 2012 in Olympics.
Kirui augite thengia kwaga mweke wa kurugamirira Kenya thiini wa mathako ma Olympics ari na mahenya mangi abatie gukorwo akinyita itemi mwaka uyu.
And if London is open, I know those guys will come to London. So it is my biggest prayer that after this and after they finish the Olympic, and then we pray that we meet together London Marathon. For sure, that is my prayer now.
Njorua yuria ni njorua wa marathon mwaka wa 2009 Berlin na Daegu mwaka wa 2011 augite king'uki gia COVID-19 kigiritie we kunyita itemi thiini wa mahenya matiganite ma bata.
Corona to my side, I have lost the races. The last race I lost is Mumbai Marathon, which I was to participate that year of this month. And now I lost the race because you see how India is now. And now that I am very lucky, I think I am a man of God. And I pray, and I got open the ways, and I found that my manager told me, Kirui, you are lucky that you have been entered to participate Milano Marathon in Italy.
Gukiri uguo haugite ari na kiroto gia gucokereria thiini wa mbitika cia Olympics no kwa ihinda riri mwaka uyu amurikite mahenya ma London mweri-ini wa 10 mwaka uyu.